This 2023 Grand Design Solitude 310GK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 4, smoke detector, LP detector, air conditioning, skylight, stove top burner, TV, awning, auxiliary battery, Colorado detector, oven, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude 310GK is 12,100 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.